Yeah, guys, so we got jerk chicken. Well, I got jerk chicken with rice and peas.
And vegetables.
And vegetables. Cass get the
Curry goat with vegetables.
With vegetables.
Yeah.
Thank you. It look nice and refreshing though. One for her as well. You can have that. You can have that.
Tasted it?
No, I'm gonna try it. Here.
How very nice. Hey guys, what's up?
Wagwan people.
Wagwan. So we are taking a road trip today. So we're taking our road trip. We're going to the North Coast. We're going to Mo Bay. Alright, so we're going to Montego Bay. But we wanted to do a little vlog. We wanted to carry you guys along with us because we thought we would visit Ocean Point.
Yeah.
So you guys have been asking in the comments, what about Ocean Point? Ocean Point, and we haven't actually gone to take a look. So
we don't know the area. We don't know. It's in Hanover, by the way, guys. It's past Montego Bay. So it's in Hanover, Ocean Point Development. We don't know nothing about the area. People asking us what our opinions, what we think about the area, the surrounding areas, and all of that. So, guys, we're gonna give you our impression of that today as well. Right?
So we're traveling
in a separate vlog. So I think we'll be putting out more than one video. So with this particular video is not about that, but you can look out for the Ocean Point vlog in a separate video.
Yep.
All right, guys.
All right.
The guys, we are on the River Road. Them call this Bagua Gorge. Well, we passed the Bagua Gorge already, but yeah, this is the River Road as them call it.
Yep. Nice greenery, you know.
So guys, we're gonna take the north-south highway at Linstead. Whenever I'm going that direction, most times I would drive to Linstead via the old road and then go up on the highway, you know. Yeah, but people, tell me what you think about my shades. Cass says she not too dig it, you know. I don't know why, but I love my shades. I actually buy them here in Mexico. Them are Argentine actually. So, yeah. Come in a little nice case here. It's actually made of bamboo. You know, but Cass bad mind me for my shades, you know. But I love it still.
I just don't think that it was worth the money.
It's cheap. How much about $30 fees? So a cheap.
Not $30 if it. More than $30.
For not $30 or $40. But a cheap shade price that. I mean I try to tell her say shades them get really expensive. All hundreds of dollars for a pair of shades. So if you pay $40 for your shades.
Brand name shades. Anyways.
$40 bare minimum still for glasses.
Yeah.
Unless it's China made and this not come from China.
Yeah, so tell him what you think of his glasses, guys.
What do you think? It's bamboo from Argentina. So tell me what you think, people. I love it. Alright, that's enough. Could be rolling. Alright, so we'll be entering the toll from right here. So there.
Press the button and keep the card. Safe journey.
Well, look at this view, guys.
Pretty man, stunning, you know?
Yeah.
It's Jamaica.
The day nice, man. Like the sun is out and just hot enough for you to appreciate it and for you to see the beautiful skies. Like the environment is nice. Look here, babe.
Proper man, you know?
Look at that sky. Like I just love this view. So this is what I like about actually being on this highway. This is what I like. You know, I like that view you ever get. Yeah. Maybe we need to stop and take a thumbnail pic.
Yeah.
I want the sky in it. I don't know how we are do that. Look nice, man.
So guys, from Linstead to Ochi,
Yeah, $850.
$850.
Yeah.
That about what, 6 US, somewhere there, so? About 6, 7 US dollars.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we're in St. Anne, guys. We are at Discovery Bay. Coming up on the sign right there, Discovery Bay. So we're at the last end, the tail end of St. Anne, going into Trelawney. Stay right. So we have a bit of rain in these parts. As you can see, the road is wet. And we have to be using our wipers, but the view nonetheless, like the view is still nice. So rain a fall, but sun a shine. Maybe what them normally say when sweeter than them wiper fight. Yes, them always say that, like when the rain is falling and there is sun in the sky. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see the houses on the hill. Can you guys? Well, I don't know. I'd have to find out. But are you seeing that right there, sir?
Yeah, I turned to go Duncan. We don't really know Trelawney much, guys, so you know, kind of suit me.
Yeah, Upper Duncan, just up on the hill, the only big house there. Babe, look on that, babe. See that?
Yeah.
Guys, look.
Yeah.
Are you seeing that view right now? That's the sea, you know?
Wow.
Nice.
Nice one. Blue,
Real nice.
Green color there, just perfect.
Real nice. So you can get a better view of it now than before. Sun out better and all these things. So there.
Royalton that.
There.
Royalton that today, no?
Or a Royalton that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we touch Falmouth.
Yeah.
Mobby!
Mobby, guys. Yep. Mobby are nice, guys. People. Mobby are fed out. Here, rain.
Yeah, so guys, so the plan was stop at Stonebrook, then chillax in a Mobby, and then go down a point, what name? Ocean Point Development.
Yeah.
But the Mobby leg look wash out.
She's
You understand?
don't worry, we have other plans.
So we're just gonna go to Lucy.
Yeah.
No, Hanover. Not sure if it's Lucy, but we're gonna go to Hanover, and there's a nice restaurant on the waterfront.
Yeah, that I would love to go to.
Yeah, we've been there before.
Yeah.
I really enjoy it there. So we're gonna go and show you guys, you know, what's going on. We're gonna have lunch.
We are exiting St. James and going into Hanover.
Yeah, guys. So we're approaching Sandy Bay.
This is it, guys. We're approaching the community, and this is what it looks like from the outside. This is the sign.
Yeah, Hanover, guys. You know, it's a rainy day, but nonetheless we're taking in the scenery, you know. I grab 2 coconuts as well. Peaceful paradise, people. Like that. Nice, chillaxing vibe. Yeah, ready for the coconut them now, mommy. Yeah. What you call this spot? What you call this spot? Huh? Point. Oh, so the whole of you saw Point? Eh?
Overall farm, but typical point.
Point. Oh, that's the name, Ocean Point, the community. Okay. You mean the amount of water in it? Me don't know.
You want that straw?
Yes, please. Yeah. Let me just put it down right there, so. Thank you. It look nice and refreshing though. One for her as well. You can have that. You can have that.
Tasted it?
No, I'm gonna try it here.
How very nice.
How is it?
Guys, this is my favorite. Kind of dark, guys, but have a look. Waterfront restaurant and bar. Yup.
We are here.
Yes, we are at
We are in Hanover.
Waterfront. Yes, Waterfront restaurant and bar. I like it, people. Like we've been here before
Yeah, we have.
and we liked it.
Yeah, yeah.
We're coming back again.
The scenery is nice, and you know the whole vibe, you know, the whole
Yeah.
ambience.
There's a vibe all by itself. So we are back, right? So stay tuned.
Right.
Eat some food.
Yep. Waterfront. As the name suggests, right at the waterfront. Ball below down bottom, ball plate up top. Yeah. Yeah. Nice by people. A really nice ambience, eh? Okay. In curry goat, you say too?
Yes.
Okay. What you want? Nice view, right,
Hey
guys?
guys, yes. So the view here is just awesome, and that's the road out there. So,
Uh-huh.
so you should just behind the trees, behind
Yeah.
us, up behind Adrian, over there. So that's the main road.
Right.
So you see all along Hanover. That's one of the signature experiences I was thinking for this particular parish. The fact that most of the roadway, the main roadway, is
Yeah,
actually
along the
along
coastline.
the water, along the coastline, and it's just awesome.
And over in Westmoreland too, you know.
Yeah, and then that's the sea out there. So this is actually connected to the sea.
Caribbean Sea, yeah.
Yeah,
but
but
it's
this
like I don't even know what I call it. The sea comes into this little
Yeah.
passage right here. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a nice little calm.
Nice view, people.
Nice and calm.
We need to take a thumbnail. We take a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Oh,
Breast.
breast. Yeah. I'm a breast man, you know.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes. Yeah, guys. So just enjoy the ambience, you know.
Yeah.
Nice little lunch date, to say.
Yep.
Soon, daddy. No. Yeah. Alright. You can go and run till you dead.
Just realize that she's actually about to have to body in the arm of people to think that's in the way.
Yeah, guys. So we got jerk chicken. Well, I got jerk chicken with rice and peas
And vegetables.
and vegetables. Just get the
Curry goat with vegetables.
with vegetables.
Yep.
It's good.
And all good things work out, you know. Okay, see, if we didn't have a sunny day today, we wouldn't can sit down here, so it have been so hot.
Curry good. Well tender, you know?
Yeah. Yep.
Very tender. It's good.
So how we discovered this place, right? We thought all the good eateries were in Mobay. One day we were going to Nicril and trust me, hungry bus resort, remember?
True, man.
And then we spotted this place on the road and we turned in and it was great. So from that,
Every time we, not say every time, but this is like our second time actually. But we always wanted to come back.
yeah. It's never disappointed, you know?
Remember? We are right here. Right on the water's edge. Right? Perfect scenery, guys. The food is good. The vibe is good. Very relaxing. You know, perfect.
Nice to stop, you know?
Yeah. And the staff nice and courteous as well.
Yeah.
So it's just a win-win, you know? Right through.
You know, say Anova. Has Anova had any COVID-19 cases yet?
Maybe. But for a good stretch, they didn't have any.
Yeah.
True, it's true.
Never have none.
The large part of the outbreak, I know I never have no COVID.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, man, all is good, man. Yeah, man, thanks very much.
Yes, I choose two of them.
So we come check up. And I know expensive restaurant people like. How much for this? Like $6.50 and the money there?
Average price, yeah.
We're really hungry, so just hit the spot, you know?
Very much so. Got that spot in your belly.
Anyway, guys, thanks for journeying with us, you know?
Yep.
We're all the way out. This is like the west end of Jamaica.
Yeah.
Alright.
You traveled far, guys. You
Yeah.
traveled far.
So, thanks for watching. Alright. And remember to like, remember to comment, you know. Let us know what are your views, what you think. Alright, and remember that we are here in Hanover and we'll be uploading the tour of Ocean Point development as well. So look out for those vlogs. Alright. Yeah,
Remember
guys.
to subscribe and watch more of our videos, guys. Like binge watch. There's no problem with that. Binge watch, guys. Remember to click the notification bell so
Yes.
you'll know anytime we upload a video.
Alright.
Bye, love.